Hello everyone, today I want to show you my tiniest EDC setup. I also have the micro pocket organizer from Maxpedition, but this one is even smaller. It's a small pouch, very slim, standard pouch opening like this, and I have a few items here, only 3 in fact. I had more, but I want to keep it really small and simple, and this one is nice because this pouch I can keep actually on my body at all times without anyone noticing. You can put it in any pocket practically. And I have 3 items here: the Phoenix E05 flashlight, the Leatherman Squirt PS4, and the Ladybug from Spyderco. So these are very small but still useful items. I like the Phoenix because it's even though it's small, it's very useful, 27 lumens. The E01 has a longer runtime, but it's doesn't have the output of the E05, so I wanted to have a more useful output, so I chose this one. The Ladybug looks like a toy knife, but it isn't. Even though it's really small, it's really useful. One-hand opening with the locking mechanism. It has a back lock, and the handles are FRN, and the blade is made of VG10, which is quite unusual for such a small knife. So it's the original Japanese blade steel, really nice. Leatherman skirt, spring-loaded pliers, and some tools. You have the file, small blade, even though I would prefer this one, and screwdrivers, and small scissors. And that's it. Really small selection of small knives, small tools, but as I said, I like it because this one I can actually keep on my body at all times. Thanks for watching.